Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm participating in the Clean and Decorate collaboration hosted by Kristin's Chaotic Life and Clueless Mama D. Now all of the other channels participating will be listed in a playlist in my description, so check them out. Now I have 9 Christmas trees, but you guys know that. I couldn't get to them all in this video, but somehow I was able to clean and decorate this family room. And you will see that soon. But first of all, let's say hey what's up to my mom.
Say hi, Ma.
Hi. Now my mom is visiting from Ohio and she just turned 62. Happy birthday, Mom. Now she's gonna help me clean and decorate. So let's get started. Now the plan was to have the entire house cleaned and decorated before our nearly 20 overnight holiday guests arrived, but somehow that didn't happen. We pretty much stopped where you see me here. I somehow managed to get the tree decorated though in the midst of it all, but the rest of the house was a hot mess the entire time. Now that the guests are gone, we were able to pick up, but we pretty much had to start from the beginning. So once again, here is the dirty family room. You ready, Mom? Round 2. And we are done. The family room is complete, guys, but y'all know I have a lot more to do. I will definitely try to come back and share some more with you. I know I have a Christmas tree, the black Christmas trees you guys voted, and those are the ones that I will be doing. And then I will also try to do a Christmas tour, so make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Also, be sure to check the playlist linked in my description because you don't want to miss any of the other videos participating in this collaboration. I'm sure they are awesome. Big thanks goes out to Christian's Chaotic Life and Clueless Mama D for hosting this year's Clean and Decorate collaboration. I had a blast. I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and until next time, take care.